day, Atomians. I'm Mary Jean Aparte, your new sales master. First of all, I want to give all the glory and thanks to God. I believe it's not by accident that I became part of this amazing company. I had prayed for a business that values honesty and integrity, and God led me to Atomy. It was actually my sister Mary Joy who introduced me to Atomy in May 2023. At first, I refused, and I told her, why are you joining a networking company? That's not good. I judged it right away without understanding what Atomy was really. Back then, I was recovering from stage 4 lymphoma cancer. My sister insisted that I try Himuhim because she wanted to help me. I was very weak, fighting between life and death. One day, I saw a video of our CEO, Parken Gill, sharing his testimony on a Christian YouTube channel. That video changed me. My view of Atomy changed, and I became curious. I started checking the products on Atomy Online Mall. That's when my journey truly began. In October 2023, my sister introduced me to her sponsor, and we started talking through Kakao Talk. I tried Atomy products, and I was amazed, especially Himuhim. It really helped me in my healing. Now, by God's grace, I'm almost 2 years cancer-free, and I still take Himuhim every day. Later, I decided to shift my brand to Atomy and start the business. I started sharing it with others, but my husband and son didn't support me. They were upset. Still, in 2025, I fully committed my business to Atomy, which I felt I had, I even left my family business, and I told myself I will never give up, and proved them wrong. I had no financial support from my husband. I've been living on my own, but I keep going with faith and prayer. God began to align everything. He sent the right people, business partners, and I do this mission. My sales master journey was surely a miracle. God made the impossible possible. From March 1 to 15, I focused fully on the challenge. I believe in my heart that God would really help me reach my goal. I visited partners, called members, and shared the products and business. I was working so hard, but one day I got really sick. I had stomach pain, I couldn't eat. I took medicine and even Himuhim, but nothing helped. I ended up vomiting. I felt so weak and broken. During those 3 days, I cried out to the Lord. I realized I had placed the business first and forgotten to spend time with Him. I asked for forgiveness. The moment I surrendered again to God, I felt stronger and was able to go back to work. I was asked by my partner to visit one sister who needs to be prayed over. God moved me to pray for her. That reminded me of my promise to always put God first. The verse came to mind, seek first His kingdom and His righteousness, and all these things will be added to you. This journey is not just about earning or reaching ranks. It's about following the vision God placed in my heart. When you trust Him, He will make a way. He made my sales mastership smoother step by step. I am thankful for the support I receive from my partners, my sponsor, who are here with me, and even from those in Korea. But above all, I thank the Lord. Without Him, I could not have made it. To God be all the glory, praise, and honor. Thank you all, and let's continue this journey with faith, purpose, and with joy. Aja! Aja!